side shift on it. We just got this in about 2 hours ago, or an hour ago really. You bought a new one. Wait! This is his working clothes. We just haven't done a thing to it. He just come in dirty right off the farm. I'm gonna sell it just like it is, because I don't have time to work on it to clean it. It's a KX040-4, 6,000 hours, 6,200. I don't have the year on it yet, 17, 18, 19. It's got a quick coupler on it. It's got a pin-on hydraulic valve. It's got auxiliary hydraulics. Original paint and everything. We bought it a few years ago from the gas company. We sold it local, and the gentleman traded back it to us today. I went out to his farm and looked at it. He's got a 2-speed transmission, pattern changer. He replaced that one track, about 150 hours ago. He only put 200 some hours on it.